As you can see, I'm a bit under the weather, but I'm not going to let a little cold deprive you of your exams.
All this and exams too.
Shh, Ickis, can you not see the Grumble is not himself?
Master Ickis, would you please distribute the exams? Class dismissed.